You guys.
Oh no, no, what are you doing? Why are you have to do that? No! You have to do that! No!
Oh my gosh!
Fine.
Brandon, don't you dare.
I'm Ratchet Man. I'm super daring. What are you talking about?
Oh my gosh.
And I know what Tyrone says. A big shout out. Everybody be nice. That's what Tyrone always says, yo. I'm gonna drink water really quick. Don't tell Strawberry, my eyes are watering. Let me come dancing. My throat is so sore that I need a drink of aqua infinity, yo.
Hi, Daniel. Hi, Daniel.
Pray for me. Pray for me, please, right now.
Alright, have Prestige make this.
Jesus, please help me make this one right.
Amen. They say amen. Amen. That song, amen. Amen.
Stop.
Okay, I'll stop.
Stop. Okay.
I'll behave. I'll behave.
Alright,
I'll behave. For now.
Okay.
Now here comes me, the police dog. The police dog's on patrol.
She's like, what's going on here? What's going on? What's all this drama?
For my actual live stream.
Wow.
Better off than
I just want to have some fun tonight and do a live stream. Oh my god! What is going on?
What's got that? That's what's going on.
Anybody can be an advocate. Anybody can do what they,
What they love.
what they want to do, and then, yeah. So.
At least there's only one block.
Jill, did you? Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah, it's Tyrone's turn now.
Yeah.
I
Tyrone.
mean, Why did I say that?
Where did we get Tyrone from?
Well, another friend that's watching us is
He's my friend from Jersey. Hey, Ty.
yeah, sorry, I accidentally called
Where did we get
Tyrone.
Tyrone?
I accidentally called Tyrone. Well, at least Dion's awake now. He was like, what? What did you say, Brandon? What did you say, Ratchet Man? You called me Tyrone. My name is Dayon. What's wrong, you fool?